feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. Well, that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. I tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only have two hands. I hope I get the chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans. I wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid to close my eyes. Well, life's a game made for everyone, and love is the prize. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. 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 So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost.
best. Discarded all the naughty nights for niceness. Landed in a very common crisis. Everything's in order in a black hole. Nothing seems to pity is the past though. A Bloody Mary's like an El Tabasco. Remember when you used to be a rascal? Oh, the boys are slag. The best you ever had, the best you ever had is just a memory. And those dreams, when as daft as they seem, as daft as they seem, my love, when you dream them all. Flicking through a little book of sex tips. Remember when the boys were all electric? And now when she told she's gonna get it, I'm guessing that she'd rather just forget it. Clinging to not getting sentimental. Said she wasn't going but she went still. Like a gentleman to be gentle. Was it a mechadobber or a betting pencil? Oh, the boys are slag. The best you ever had, the best you ever had is just a memory. And those dreams, when as daft as they seem, as daft as they seem, my love, when you dream them of overflow. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Falling about, you took a left off last life lane, just sounding it out, but you're not coming back again. You're falling about, you took a left off last life lane, you were just sounding it out, but you're not coming back again. You used to get it in your fishnets, now you wanna get it in your nightdress. Discarded all the noise and the niceness. Landed in a very common crisis. Everything's in order in a black hole. Is everything as pretty as the past though? A Bloody Mary's like a bit of Tabasco. Remember when you used to be a rascal?
Well, I was sitting, waiting, wishing you believed in superstitions. Then maybe you'd see the signs. But Lord knows that this world is cruel, and I ain't the Lord, no, I'm just a fool. And loving somebody don't make them love you. Must I always be waiting, waiting on you? Must I always be playing, playing your fool? I sang your songs, I danced your dance, I gave your friends all a chance. Putting up with them wasn't worth never having you. Oh, maybe you've been through this before, but it's my first time, so please ignore the next few lines, 'cause they're directed at you. I can't always be waiting, waiting on you. I can't always be playing, playing your fool. I keep playing your part, but it's not my scene. Want this plot to twist, I've had enough mystery. Keep building it up, but then you're shooting me down. But I'm already down, just wait a minute. Just sit and wait it. Just wait a minute. Just sit and wait it. Well, if I was in your position, I'd put down all my ammunition. I'd wonder why it taken me so long. But Lord knows that I'm not you, and if I was, I wouldn't be so cruel. 'Cause waiting on love ain't so easy to do. Must I always be waiting, waiting on you?
Shining sun means new start. It's time for me to face my fate and follow my heart. I'm coming home, I'm coming home, I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Home is where the heart is. It's never late to find the answer up in the stars. I'm coming home, I'm coming home, I'm coming home, I'm coming home. 'Cause I love you, love you, love you, love you, baby. 'Cause I love you, love you, love you, love you, baby. Baby, baby. I'm coming home, 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 I'm coming home. I love you, love you, love you, love you, baby. 'Cause I love you, love you, love you, love you, baby. 'Cause I love you, love you, love you, love you, baby. 'Cause I love you, love you, love you, love you, baby. Baby. Ba-da-da, ba-ba-da-da.
I was climbing, now I'm falling. I've been pushed off by a man who has made it to the top and now defends it 'cause he can. And I have found a breach in his front line. I was open, now I'm hidden from the danger of his words. I have found a good position and I'll play for what he's worth, and he will find nowhere left to hide. I will lift her love and I'll break your spirit. I will dig a hole and I'll throw you in it. Only time will tell if we're all just cynics on the run. If we're all just cynics, come undone. I was losing, now we're drawing. I'm not afraid to draw my blood. I'm not backing down, so I surrender 'cause you shouldn't face the truth. You raise the flag, I'll tear it down. Oh, you may have won the battle, but I'll take the fight to you. And your flag is on the ground, and your bones, they rattle too as I break you. Your fear has now come true. I will lift her love and I'll break your spirit. I will dig a hole just cynics come undone, all just waiting for the gun. We are tied to the truth, the tie that binds me to you, and I'm acting on my words with all that I have heard, with honesty in mind. You'll find that I'm not the lie, see the truth in my eyes. I'm not the lie, see the truth in my eyes. I will lift her love and I'll break your spirit. I will dig a hole and I'll throw you in it. Only time will tell if we're all just cynics on the run. If we're all just cynics, I will lift her love and I'll break your spirit. I will dig a hole and I'll throw you in it. Only time will tell if we're all just cynics on the run. If we're all just cynics come undone.
Last night I had a dream we were inseparably entwined, like a piece of rope made out of two pieces of vine, held together holding each other with no one else in mind, like two atoms in a molecule inseparably combined. But then I woke from the dream to realize I was alone. A tragic event, I must admit, but let's not be overblown. I'm not trying to write a love song, just a sad pathetic moan. And maybe I just need a change, maybe I just need a new cologne. Now I look at love like being stabbed in the heart. You torture each other from day to day and then one day you part. Most of the time it's misery, but there's some joy at the start. And for that I'd say it's worth it, just use a blade that's short and sharp on me. And if love is just a game, then how come it's no fun? If love is just a game, how come I've never won? I guess maybe it's possible I might be playing it wrong, and that's why every time I roll the dice I always come undone.